my name is Kelsing Turner. My dad has a YouTube channel called Rising Star 77. He also has very good content like songs, food, health, and other subjects. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!
Oh, halftime show, Super Bowl. Samolotish the Lake. And we are at halftime Super Bowl 55th show, alright?
Yeah.
And then Mr. Karma is here.
Yeah.
Karma's getting ready for the delicious momo. Wow, looks good. Momo looks good. Oh my goodness. That's like steaming. Gorgeous, huh? Mr. Karma is very busy. Momo prepare momo. You have this thing, the color watermelon.
Yeah.
Bathroom. She's got the cover menu. She got the cover menu. So. That's the lake. We are about it. Oh, let's take this. We are about to eat momo, steam momo. Happy Super Bowl 55th. And what I'm saying is, the second half, if the Kansas Chiefs really doesn't step up, it's over. It's over. It's going to be Buccaneers, Tampa Bay. Super Bowl champion for sure. Alright, guys, stop.